Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. Today we have the world's first oil catch can from Damond Motorsports for the Giulia 2.0. A lot of people have been requesting this. Damond Motorsports has sent this out to us so we can show you how to install it and give you a little bit of a review of the product and what it does if you aren't aware of what it does. If you want your Giulia to run cleaner and stronger, you 1000% need an oil catch can, especially for boosted cars. I don't know why we don't have one yet, but super excited that Damond Motorsports created one for our market. We're gonna, again, show you how to install this today, but before we get into that, I wanna explain to you what an oil catch can does in case you are potentially in the market and want one. If you guys haven't already seen, we just dropped our new merch, modded. Wow, look at new money for Alfa. And you might need money for this part, so you definitely should buy this shirt. We're gonna open this box up right now. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Track tested, driver trusted. Love it. Again, they don't have too many products in our space, but they did create this, and they're super proud of it. Yeah. And I was super excited.
We appreciate.
Anybody who creates in the Alpha space, we truly appreciate. It's such a small market. And I know, again, we're gonna get into what the actual oil catch can does, but so many boosted owners have asked about this catch can or a catch can. So we're super lucky to have this because, you know, for the last, I don't know how many years, people have been asking for it. Alrighty, hold that. Thank you so much, my lovely assistant. Whoa! Okay. Very nicely packaged.
Not expecting that.
Very nicely packaged. More stickers. Wow. Thank you. Wow. Are you guys excited?
Well packaged. Oh, that's kind of cool, dude.
Wow, that's a pretty piece.
That is pretty.
There you go.
That's
wow.
Cool. Okay.
Really pretty piece. Really nice finish. You can get these hoses in different colors. Because my aesthetic is black on black, I went with black. The quick connection hoses, which is really cool. I got to figure out, again, how to put everything together, but it has everything you could possibly need. And even the small little stuff, we've seen other products made for this space that don't come with these, so super appreciative. All right, what does this little thingamajig actually do? All right, so when your engine is running, especially these are especially useful in boosted cars. Basically, you have air, fuel, and oil, which creates blow-by. Essentially, it's this extra stuff that creates like carbon buildup in your intake valves. Essentially what this does is it catches all that. It catches all the nasty stuff that you don't want. It's really to help the longevity of your motor. They're not like 1000% needed, but again, it does help the life and the health of your motor, making your car run stronger, healthier. Okay, I'm slowly learning. And usually like with a catch can, you know how I said you usually catch it, and usually like there's like a little thing you pop out. This is different. The way they did this is super nifty. So all the blow-by gets trapped in here, right? You just boop, and it opens up and it drains out.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's cool.
It has this little thing. I would assume maybe...
Where does it drain onto?
This goes onto it. And you just put this little bad boy on. Ready? And then you drink it.
Yeah.
There you go. That's pretty cool. Nifty. Nifty stuff. And then this looks like it is the bracketing system for it.
Okay.
So it looks like it's gonna either go like this. It looks like it's gonna catch right here. To my understanding, it looks like, from what I can see, that it goes right here. It brackets right here. Something like this. Ta-dee. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take the strut bar off because that is a necessity. There we go. Again, those of you who shopped modded wear might have this. Onesie twosies. The first thing we need to remove to install this is this piece right here. To my understanding, I think the way to run this, you can't have this installed. I don't know how true that is. We will find out as we go through this install. What is catch on it? There you go. Wow, was this ever annoying? We're gonna get this slightly tightened, not 100%. So we can make some maneuvers once we're in there. Beep. To my understanding, long one goes on bottom, short one goes on top. Okay, we're all following so far.
Oh.
Alrighty.
Okay.
But bottom goes up top, top goes on bottom. And then we have a little bit of play here. We are gonna tighten these bad boys up, because if you guys remember, we never tightened these to begin with, because we knew that this was gonna be a thing. Super shout out to another creator. His name is Connor Mink. He actually made a video of this, and there is no really instructions online yet, I don't think. So super shout out to Connor. I'm gonna link his video up top. You can go watch that if you want a shorter video. I think his video is only about 2 minutes, so you don't have to hear me talking the whole time. Okay, I was editing this and I figured there's a few things that I wanted to readdress or talk about. Sorry for the loud birds. First things first. The system and the hose that you're coming to grab is this system right here. Basically, this just sits in just like this. It's clipped into a piece right here, and basically the catch can is that added system to catch the blow-by instead of it just going straight down, right? So this system is just held on by 2 clips. Technically, you're supposed to push them, be able to pull out, push and pull out. These did not play well, so I just broke them and then just slid out, and it had no problems once I broke them. I didn't really care because I wasn't going to reuse it. Again, the top hose goes down to the bottom hose goes up top. The bottom is the long, the top is the short, connects right to the system. Hopefully that's easy to understand. Another thing I didn't feel like I explained very well, it's just 2 10mm bolts to get this heat shield out the way. And there's 3 clips that I need to get to. I didn't really record that, but all you have to do is just put a flathead and pop them open, which is what I did. And then you just have to kind of finagle it out, which I think you guys saw in the video. Once all that is out, you have this little bolt that holds in the ECU. It's a 10mm. I unscrewed it and just screwed in the bracketing system. And then you have 2 bolts you can choose from, an outside one and the inside. Me and Connor talked about it. We both went with the outside one, and that's where we both decided to bolt it into. The next thing that me and Connor talked about is this plastic piece right here. I went onto Damond Motorsports website. It calls for you not to have that installed. All that is sound deadening. So we went ahead and removed it. Connor took out the foam from it and put it in between, just so there's still the same concept of some sound deadening. I went ahead and did the same, but that's not necessary at all. It's just to keep the engine bay a little bit more quiet. So I just threw this in here. I didn't zip tie it or anything like that. The pressure from the catch can, the hoses are pressing up against it, so I mean it's not going to go anywhere, but I felt comfortable running it. I don't think this is a necessary step, but I went ahead and threw it on there just for my own peace of mind. Super easy system to understand. Just literally 2 hoses and a bracket. You can't get much more simpler than that. You should probably change this every time you change your oil. I'm going to come back in about a week to just drain out how much blow-by got caught in this, because I'm just curious. But that's about it. Easy system. I still have to put the engine cover and the strut brace back on, but that's all you have to do. Hopefully this video is easy to follow. It is a very easy system to install. I kind of went by it pretty quickly. If you have any questions about the install, feel free to reach out to Damond Motorsports. Again, huge shout out to them for sending us out this product. If you are in the DFW area and you do not know how to install this, or you need help with any aftermarket install, 3 Cross Garage can assist you. They are today's sponsor and the sponsor of our channel. 3 Cross Garage is a mobile mechanic, and they can do all your maintenance needs, help with aftermarket installs, whatever you could possibly need. And it's not just for Alphas, they do all cars. But super shout out to 3 Cross Garage as always. I know I mentioned Connor Mink throughout this video. His information is going to be down below if you guys want to go check out his channel. I cannot say thank you enough to Damond Motorsports for sending this out. I love that we're the first to get a lot of products. I love that we're able to show you guys this install. Hopefully you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to push subscribe, like, comment, do something to help us out. Costs you nothing to share a like, costs you nothing to share the video. We truly, truly appreciate you guys. Once again, thank you for 9,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 10,000. 10,000 subscribers, which somebody will win a free tune. If you haven't checked out that video on how to win a free tune, go right up here in the corner. I know this sounds like an ad. I know it sounds very talky, but I got to get all the information or someone will say I did not tell them. Truly, truly appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah. Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. let me get in the vibe.
Let me kick you in your throat.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
What? How do you?
Oh, how do they do the UFC?
Ow, dude! Jesus Christ!
That's what they do, dude.
I don't think I've seen that.
I've seen it happen. Let me show you another move.
No.
Oh.